Hi, everybody. Welcome to our very last lecture of Soc 101 Introduction to Sociology for summer 2020. I can't believe we have reached the end of this class already. Just a little class business to get you started. So go ahead and open up your lecture quizzes, and we will answer your first quiz question right away. So first off is the final exam. The final exam opens at noon on Tuesday, July 21st, and closes at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 23rd. You will have 60 minutes to take the exam once you've begun, and you must finish it all in one sitting. It must be completed It must be completed. Sorry about that. It must be completed by the last day of class, Thursday, July 23rd at 11:59 p.m. This week, we do not have a discussion board assignment because we have such a short week that um, we just don't have time to do the main posts and the responses. So instead, I have what I call an extended response journal. And this is an assignment that's similar to your other response journals, but about 3 times as long. So what I'm looking for is sort of like a mini paper for 1 to 1.5 pages or 2 pages in length. In order for you to earn full maximum credit for this assignment, it is required that you cite from the textbook in APA or MLA style and that you cite correctly. Our last day of class is Thursday, July 23rd, and all assignments must be completed by that date, by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time. No work will be accepted after this time. And so I answered the first quiz question, which is that the exam opens at noon on Tuesday, July 21st, and closes at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 23rd. Now, I just wanted to make a couple comments about this week's lecture videos. We have far more lecture videos this week than in other weeks because we are covering 3 topics this week. We're covering capitalism and the economy, and there are 2 videos on that. We're covering power and authority, and there's 1 video on that. And we are also covering social stratification, and there are 2 videos on that one. Only the first 2 are included on the lecture quiz, but I encourage you to continue listening because although social stratification isn't included on the lecture quiz, it is uh, there are quite a number of questions about social stratification on the final exam, as are the other, capitalism and the economy and power and authority. So be sure to pay attention to the lectures for all 3 of these topics this week. For power and authority, the lecture is a little bit shorter. Use the lecture and also the reading, which is on pages 577 to 579 in your textbook. Okay, that's it for now. And next you can go on to your second of 6 videos.